In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a timesheet in Notion using a ready-made template from the Notion Marketplace. We'll start right inside your Notion workspace. At the top or side navigation, look for the option that takes you to the Notion Marketplace. This is where you can browse and install templates created by Notion and the community. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. It may open in the same window or a new tab depending on your setup, but just wait for that Marketplace page to load fully before moving on. Once you're in the Marketplace, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into that search bar and type the word timesheet. This will filter the available templates and show you options specifically designed to track time, hours worked, or similar time-related tasks. Give it a moment to load the results. If you don't see anything right away, make sure you've spelled timesheet correctly. After the results appear, scroll through them until you find a timesheet template that fits your needs. You might see a few different layouts or styles, but choose the one you're interested in using as the base for your own timesheet. When you found it, click on the template card to select it. This will open more details about that specific template. On the template details page, look for the preview button. Clicking preview will open a live example of the template so you can see how it's structured. This is helpful because you can review the properties, the database layout, and any example entries. Take a moment to look through the columns such as date, task, project, and hours, and imagine how you'll adapt them to your own workflow. If you're happy with what you see in the preview, the next step is to add it to your workspace. Find the Add button, usually located near the top right or bottom of the preview page. Click on Add, and Notion will automatically duplicate that template into your own workspace. This might take a couple of seconds. Once the template has been added, you'll see it appear as a new page. From there, you can start customizing it. Rename the page, adjust the properties, and clear out any sample data so it's ready for your real timesheet entries. And that's it. You've successfully built a timesheet in Notion using a marketplace template.